So I'll open one. You'll open one. Yeah. I think they're individually wrapped. Yeah, they're individually wrapped. Okay, wait. Who wants to start? You? Okay, you can start. Who do you think you're gonna get?
Yeah, I think I got Hades. Survey says. Oh! Wow! Okay, I'm happy I was wrong. Good morning!
Good morning, guys. So I forgot to film an intro, so this is after the event, but we went to the Montreal pin event today and I think we had a really good experience. So yeah, so this is the second Montreal pin event. It was much better than the first one, I have to say. There was more people and more vendors. So yeah, so we're gonna show you the vlog and then we're gonna come back and do a haul after. Excited?
Excited. It's nice that it's in our hometown.
I know.
Finally. What's it been now? 2 years?
Yeah.
Since we've been back.
I think it's been about like 2 years since they last had an event here in Montreal. So it's exciting to see that there's a new one. This is, I think, the second ever pin event over here. And it's taking place at the Days Inn. These are some cool stairs.
They'll come in a week.
All right. That purple ticket, only the purple, not the red. I'll lose my job if it's the red. All right, numero.
I always have to visit your table.
Visit us, yes.
You guys, these are fantasy pins, and she's honestly amazing. I just want to show you. Like, look at this. Once upon a time. Love it. That's so cute. I'm gonna do 3 in here, 3 in the other.
Which you could win. Halloween. This is what you could win.
Have you been to the Halloween before?
We have in 2023. And honestly, I loved it so much. It's my favorite time of the year. Alrighty guys, so we are back from the pin event and we have a bit of a haul. So we didn't go too crazy this time around and we just wanted to show you guys what we got. We're all dressed up because we have an event to go to tonight, so we're trying to do this little haul as quickly as possible. Did you want to start with the pins?
Sure.
Okay, so we'll leave those for last. I guess we could start with the pins that we traded for. We didn't really do many trades.
Not this time, I would say.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first pin that we traded was for a rustic-looking Pirates of the Caribbean pin.
Yeah, it's really nice. I like it.
That's very nice.
We traded like a little mini like Cinderella pin for it. This girl had like a trade anything board, so we decided to trade for this one. I think it's really cool. I didn't actually have time to look at it in detail.
It's like a rustic look, I think.
Yeah, like there's 2 mermaids and then a little skull at the top, and like the top also has like this little like anchor looking thing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, and I can't tell if it's authentic. It looks...
I think it is.
It's from...
No?
No, I'm just trying to look at the year. It looks like it says 2019? 2015?
No, you can tell because the borders, they touch 2015.
Yeah, so a pin from 2015. So that is our first little trade. Our next trade was a little Halloween one, and I thought it was really cute. So we got this one, and it's a little Minnie Mouse ghosty.
Very cute.
We'll add it to our Halloween collection. So we got that one. So this next pin we traded 2 for this one, and it's gonna go into our standalone collection. And it is a little Plinkly pin. Look at how cute he is with his camera. So this one's a really nice one. I think he's really cute.
Now we just need to find
Oh my god, what's his name?
Jumba.
Jumba, yes. We need to find the Jumba to the Plinkly.
So this next pin I traded for while she was looking at other tables. I traded the a tiny Cusco pin for this.
For this little Steamboat Willie pin. I can't remember, do we have this pin already?
We never took a picture of the binder, so I would never know.
Do you want me to check now?
Yeah, go check quickly.
Okay, hold on. Let me go check. I know we have a Steamboat Willie. Alright, we brought out the Kraken binder to check if we have this. Hold on. Oh, this binder is getting heavy. Okay, no, we don't have that one exact. I think we have this one, but I think the one you got is much nicer. So this is the one we currently have. It's a smaller Steamboat Willie, and then if you put the other one next to it, you can tell the difference. I like this one much more. This one's older.
Let me see. It's almost the same pin.
I know, it's almost the same pin, but I like that this one has a silver, like, enamel, versus this one that has, like, a gold enamel.
So what, you want to put this and trade this?
Yeah. This next one we got for the little standalone collection we have in the back, And I was actually pretty surprised we didn't have a Gaston. So we got a little Gaston, and I got this from this girl who had a bunch of cool pins. And I didn't know which one to choose, but I decided to choose him, so.
Okay, so this next pin is actually a Disneyland Paris pin that we got from another lady that was actually next to the one that she got her Gaston from. And it is Remy and his cousin, I don't remember his name.
Emile. His name's Emile.
Remy and Emile.
I really like it.
Yeah.
And it's like a nice size.
And now we just have to find a Remy on his own.
From Disneyland Paris, I'm telling you. We're
Next
like
trip.
in trouble if ever we go to Disneyland Paris because they
Yeah.
just have the elite pins. Okay, this next one, this is a Boba Fett pin, and it's a Disney Plus. Oh, it's a Disney Plus Loungefly? What? Do you see this? It says Disney Plus in the back. But then it says Loungefly at the bottom.
But then it says enamel pin.
Interesting. In the back it says a Disney Plus. I guess because it's a Disney Plus show?
Maybe. This is from a girl that we actually see time and time again. We really, really like her stuff. Her name is Robin.
And all of our pins, because she sells Marvel, Star Wars, and all of that kind of stuff. So all of our Star Wars pins are mainly from her.
Yeah.
And so we got this one. It's a really nice one. And it's again for our standalone collection.
UK extension.
Okay, this one was, I think,
The first one.
the first pin that we got, and it was so cute. It's a Disney store, Disneyland. Is it Disneyland or Disney World? It's just a Disney pin, authentic Disney pin. And it's a little Winnie the Pooh pin. And he's stuffing his face with honey. I thought this was super cute. And he's definitely gonna go really nicely next to my Tokyo Disneyland Winnie the Pooh. The one with like the honeybees everywhere. I will put like a picture of what that looks like, but he's gonna look super cute with that.
Okay, so this next pin is a Disneyland pin for their 25th anniversary. It goes hand in hand with the next item on our list, but I had to have it, and because we love it so
nice
much.
pin.
It's a Disney Fantasmic pin.
I love that. Fantasmic is one of our like favorite shows. Oh, and it's the 25th anniversary.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't notice that when we got it.
Yeah, so that's a keeper.
Oh, and it's an LE of 2000, limited edition.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
I didn't even know. So that's what it looks like, and I think it's really cute. Okay, and then the next item we actually got it from the same seller who sold us the Fantasmic pin, and I feel like it just kind of looked so nice together. And it is a second Loungefly. It is a Sorcerer Mickey Loungefly, and I absolutely love how this looks. And I don't think we looked inside to see what it looks like inside. But basically, it's Sorcerer Mickey, and the handles are like little, can't really see it, but they're like little paintbrushes. And then the inside, all the stuffing. There's stuffing in here.
We never actually looked inside.
We never looked inside when we bought it. We were just like, he's so cute. We need to get him. It's really nice. Oh, I love it. It's like an ink and paint vibe with like characters on the inside. Ink and paint was, I think, like one of my favorite like collections. So the fact that it's like ink and paint on the inside is amazing. So this is what the inside looks like. It's just really nice. You literally have all the characters on the inside. I love this. I think this is my new favorite Loungefly.
So it's perfect for Hollywood Studios when we go see Fantasmic.
Oh yeah, definitely when we're watching Fantasmic, he's gonna be with me.
There was another pocket.
Is there? Oh yeah, it's just like a little flat pocket.
Oh, is it?
Like it's like a little...
Can you put anything inside?
You could maybe put something like flat
Oh, okay.
in the front. It's like kind of like a little zippered pocket.
Okay.
Like little flat items like pins and stuff. Okay, the next item that we got is So we are going on a cruise. Not a Disney cruise, but we're going on a cruise, and we have some luggages that don't have luggage tags. So I saw this from a seller and I decided to get them. They are Disney Cruise Line luggage tags, and they are super cute, and they are going to be perfect for our vacation. Even though we are not going on a Disney cruise, it's still really cute.
I like them a lot.
Because our regular luggages have Disney luggage tags anyways, so I feel like this is perfect for the vacation that we're going on. So the last items that we got a mystery box. So this is the Disney Candy Apple Disney mystery box, and these are the candy apples that you can get. So there is Ursula, Hades, there's a Mickey Pumpkin, which was the one that I wanted, but we actually got that from the seller, the same seller. She had the Mickey Candy Pumpkin Apple. And she said this one is the most rare that you need to get, so I'm really glad that we got this one.
She had mentioned the three hardest ones to find is the Mickey Pumpkin, the Hades, and the Sorcerer Mickey.
Yeah, so there's Ursula, Hades, Mickey Pumpkin, then there is Maleficent, Sorcerer Mickey, a candy apple, Poison Apple, who is this? Minnie Mouse, like Minnie Mouse dressed as a witch candy apple. And then, oh my god,
George.
isn't it Prince John?
Oh, Prince John, sorry.
King John? Prince John?
Prince John, yeah.
Prince John. So, I think the ones that I would want...
I would like the Sorcerer Mickey.
I'd like the Sorcerer Mickey, the Candy Apple, or the Maleficent. And then I obviously wouldn't be mad if we got another pumpkin.
The woman actually had the Mickey, the Sorcerer, and the Poison Apple at her thing.
Wow.
But I'm like, it's not fun to buy them.
Yeah, I know. I feel like the whole fun is just to open them up and see what you get.
Okay.
And these are from Hong Kong Disneyland. I'll open one, you'll open one?
Yeah.
I think they're individually wrapped. Yeah, they're individually wrapped. Okay, wait. Who wants to start? You? Okay, you can start. Who do you think you're gonna get?
Okay, can I see the box?
Yeah. I feel like this is a collection I would want to like complete one day.
Okay, wait, if I had to guess. Okay, I think I got Hades. Survey says. Oh! Okay, I'm happy I was wrong.
Yay!
We got the Sorcerer Mickey.
We got Sorcerer Mickey!
Which is the hardest one apparently to get.
I'm so excited! Wow! So we got Sorcerer Mickey. Now we have the pumpkin.
Okay, I'm very happy.
Okay, I'm really hoping I get then one of the other two that we want, which is the Poison Apple or Maleficent. So let's see. Who do you think it's gonna be?
I think. Can I feel it?
No, you can't feel it.
Then okay, I'm gonna say you either got the Poison Apple or Ursula.
Okay.
Survey says.
Survey says. None. I got the Prince John.
Okay.
Okay, I'm really happy about the Sorcerer Mickey though, so that kind of made it all worth it.
So you'll trade this one?
Yeah, I would trade him,
Or
I would keep the Sorcerer Mickey.
Well, obviously.
Obviously. That's awesome.
Everybody wants this.
I love this. Alrighty, so that concludes the end of this vlog. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more Disney pin content or travel related content. And we will catch you guys in the next video.
See you soon.
Night night.
Bye.